Hey everyone, it's Linda from Colourwerx Designs and welcome back into the Colourwerx Sewing Studio. I am super excited to introduce to you this week our first week of our newest quilt along called ModBox. This is a super fast and fun quilt to make, and it's bold, it's graphic, and anything goes with it. So first, let's review the schedule. So the schedule is a fast and fun 4-week schedule. First week, which is this week, we're going to talk about what you need to get started, about gathering your pattern, getting your materials together. Week 2, we'll talk about color placement and also pre-cut our fabrics. Week 3, we'll start piecing all the blocks together. And then week 4, we're going to put the whole quilt together and finish it off. So you can see it's a fast and fun 4-week schedule. So this is week 1 of the ModBox QuiltAlong. This week is all about getting your pattern and gathering your materials together. First of all, you're going to need to hop over to Colourwerx.com and get yourself the ModBox pattern if you don't already have it. You can get it in PDF or a paper version format. Then you need to decide what size you want to make. You can make a large lap size, you could make a baby quilt size, or you could make a table runner size. Let's talk about the materials involved in each one of those sizes. The large lap size is 72 inches by 84 inches. You'll need 10 half-yard cuts or 20 fat quarters, plus 2 background fabrics consisting of 1 yard and 1.5 yards each. The baby size is 36 inches by 45 inches. You'll need 18 fat eighths or 9 fat quarters, plus 2 background fabrics of 1/2 yard each. And finally, the table runner is 18 inches by 63 inches. Again, you'll need 13 fat eighths or 7 fat quarters, plus 2 background fabrics consisting of 1/2 yard each. Now that you've decided on what size ModBox quilt you'd like to make, let's look at some variations with different fabrics, colors, and values, and that'll give you some ideas of what your fabrics might look like. And I'll be quilting right alongside you guys. I'll be stitching up this beautiful version of ModBox using these gorgeous new K Fawcett Collective fabrics. I love this palette of raisin and purple and orange and magenta. Let's head over to the cutting board so I can show you more close-ups. Check out these gorgeous, gorgeous new K Fawcett Collective fabrics in this tropical colorway of magenta and pink and orange and peach. It's just super, super lovely. My background fabrics are going to be these 2 raisin purpley colors right there, followed by that fiery orange for the binding. It's really going to be something. It's spectacular fabric. So that is it for week number 1 of the ModBox QuiltAlong. Thank you so much for joining me. And in the meantime, before we get to week number 2, you might start thinking about color placement or color order of your fabrics across the boxes. We'll talk about that in more detail for week number 2, as well as getting into pre-cutting. See you next week, everyone, and happy coloricious quilting always.